Alright, here I have my drone. It's currently operating on Bluetooth. I already have him plugged in, so his Bluetooth is all started up. And on the console over here right now, I am actually just printing out the Bluetooth connection. And we're just going to fly him real quick so we change the values. Arm him. And you can see that our roll pitch and yaw just changed a lot. If we go the other way, and there you are. And just a quick show, we're on COM port 12, which indeed is my Bluetooth port. If I go to device manager. So COM port 12 is indeed my Bluetooth link. So this is actually talking over Bluetooth, which is pretty cool. Thank you so much, and that's my demo.